会进大厅。
哎，他怎么搜不到嘞？他要录屏，但是搜不到这个。
已经开始了。
开始了，但是他搜不到我们这个。他要录屏，怎么回事？那。这能，但是我没有保存回放啊。能听到声音吗？问题是，我不知道他能不能听到声音。有了。可以听到声音吗？可以听到声音吗？好的，试一下吧，记录一下时间。这里，开始了吧？我们试一下。Hello, welcome to TESmart Global Channel. This is Eunice from Tesla Elect Technology Co. Limited. Nice to see you, every friend. Firstly, please let me introduce our company to you first. Founded in 2013, TESmart has become a leading brand of audio and video system connection and management solutions, specializing in KVM switch, matrix, splitter, extender, and more. With over 17 years of experience in this field, our dedicated R&D team provides the most professional technical support with the commitment to provide high-quality products and services to meet your different needs. TESmart has steadily grown into a reliable brand, trusted by over 5 million users in more than 100 countries around the world. Dedicated to answering questions about some special products models for you. Therefore, if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to value every chance to communicate with you. Importantly, thank you very much for your ongoing trust and support. We will continue to provide you with high-quality products and services. By the way, we sincerely invite you to subscribe our official channel TESmart Global in YouTube, where you can find many interesting videos about our products. Today, our live streaming falls into 3 main parts, including product brief introduction, connection demonstration, and Q&A. Now let's go to the first product, 2-port HDMI dual monitor KVM switch, 4K 60Hz with USB hub. It's a good solution for dual monitor HDMI KVM features. Firstly, efficient manage 2 PCs with a single keyboard, mouse, and dual displays. Secondly, easily handles 4K 60Hz and more compatible with HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 compliant. Thirdly, 2 display modes, extend or split desktop for adaptable computer display on each monitor. 3 ways to switch inputs, hotkeys, front button, or remote control, and seamless keyboard and mouse operation after switching. EDID emulation prevents resolution and icon rearrangement. It also supports keyboard and mouse pass-through mode for wired keyboard and mouse. You can use wired, wireless, mechanical, and gaming keyboard and mouses to control this KVM switch. Share USB and audio peripherals for added convenience. With HDMI ports to streamline your remote work and elevate your professional multitasking. Now let's see the connection setup and the basic operations.
我觉得是这个吧。就是往右偏移，对，然后再往左平移一点。你不放我肩膀这个地方，对，这样。哦。你可以把键盘放这边。嗯，差不多全貌就是这样吧。
对，这样吧。先尝试一下。对，先尝试一下。不对，刚刚我是动了。
这样。
Okay. First, let's see the front panel. Dedicators, switch button. 不是，我来还是？
那你来吧。
对，那只能你来。
我来。
对，我来。但是我等会儿，我把这边，我这边直接拿下之后，从这里。
然后我接过来。
对。
就是这样。哦。
不行。
这样。
把它全部做。对。可以。可以吧？可以了。你快点，把这个屏不能露出来，我当时把这个屏往右搬一点。
这样。
对。Now let's take a look at the appearance and the interfaces. This is the front panel, online dedicators, switch buttons, and IR dedicators. This is the switch. Now let's move to the back panel. There are two groups of ports. This is the port for PC1 and this is the port for PC2. It is noted that both input A and input B should be connected to the same computer. If connect only one of them, then the dual monitor function would not work properly. And here is the USB 2.0 port to connect with printers, USB drivers, and other USB 2.0 devices. This is the port for keyboard and mouse. This is the output ports. This is the left or right audio output. Now let's take a look at the connection setup.这个还是得固定一下。
OK。
就这样子，可以吗？
你拿着吗？
啊，我拿着吗？你要操作吗？ 写热键是吧？写热键
先切换嘛，
前
面板啊
是。
要给他们指这个灯吗？
刚刚介绍的，只有说前面板。First, it's about front panel to switch. And then it's about IR remote control to switch. Next, it's about hotkeys usages. Press scroll lock twice and 1 to enter display mode 1. Both monitors will display input 1. Similarly, press scroll lock twice and 2. Both monitors will display input 2. Control 对吧？对，我说的是 scroll lock。Press scroll lock twice and 3 to enter display mode 2. Next, it's about hotkey usages.
没有，现在也是，是试过了。按道理来说，我本来就是1，按1也没用啊，应该要首先按到2。
我现在重新按到1。
啊。
你回到这处了没有？
现在是，现在就是1，但是你第一次按一个是2啊，要按2才有用。现在的状态就是1。
哦，那我首先要先介绍，现在是双屏模式，对吧？
对。
OK， 那我先介绍。Now it's the display mode 1. Both monitors displays input 1. 然后你按。
现在就是1。
你就按2，我看着对。Press scroll lock twice and 2. You can turn to this input 2. That is to say, both monitors will display input 2.
电脑卡着，电脑卡住了，这电脑重启一下吧，要不重新来。它这边鼠标有，但是桌面没了。
等一下，现在从哪里开始？
要不再从头开始？
重新开始
啊，
就干脆从那个
连面板。
对，重新开始。我讲完这个，对，把这个讲完了，对吧？讲完，然后就从哪开始？
因为我现在还近一点拍前面板。
对。Firstly, it's about the front panel to switch. Next, it's about IR remote control. Now, next, it's about hotkeys.
拍下面。
先按1是吧？
先按1。
Press scroll lock twice and 1 to enter display mode 1. Both monitors will display input 1. Similarly, press scroll lock twice and 2. Both monitors will display input 2. Press scroll lock twice and 3 to enter display mode 2. At this time, monitor 1 displays input 1, and monitor 2 displays input 2. And keyboard and mouse will focus on the desktop of input 1. 那是 input 1对吧？这是。Press scroll lock twice and 4 in display mode 2. Monitor 1 will display input 2, and monitor 2 will display input 1. Keyboard and mouse will focus on the desktop of input 2.
是 input 2。
哦，对，没事，对，没事，就是按完了对吧？这键就完了。对，这就切换。
然后再按10个F11。
这个切换是
10个F1。
对。
然后再
As you can see, press scroll lock twice and F1 to switch the control hotkeys to right control. After that, you can also perform above hotkey operations with right control. 你就再讲一下 control。
但是没拍到键盘。
哦，对。要这样子拍。
要这样子拍才行。
你看，你再按一下。
但是我感觉看不见，看这个。
不是，你就是按那个切换嘛。
按切换。按切换现在是10个。
对，从 scroll lock 切换。
现在是10个了嘛？现在
这么拍。
对，那重新开始。这么拍你看不到屏幕了，那就这么拍嘛。你先
切右键，
现在是10个嘛，然后我开始。
然后再回来。这样子可以。然后这些嘛，对吧？可以。就可以了。
破电脑。
我就回到那里了。Okay, the above is the introduction of the first product. 这个得固定一下，不然它首先我手拿不稳，好怕。它是固定的，我要看这里怎么办呀？你看这样子越调。The above is the introduction of the first product about appearance and connection setup and the basic operations. Is there any questions or concern about this product? You can feel free to share on the screen and we will answer you in detail. 然后就是你就要把问题打在这个公屏上。
但是我进不了直播间。
对，这个
就是正式直播的时候这样吗？
对，
现在这样。
正式直播的时候需要这样子。
就是把这些问题拿在这里直播。
对。
行。但是电脑刚刚赵工说好像就是翻不了墙，没有 VPN 的，这个没有。这些新年的时候。
那可能需要用笔记本。
对。
Okay, first question: Does the 7 multiply by 24 hours of work? Now let's answer this question. Our products support the power being turned on, but in order to prolong the service life of the KVM switch, it is recommended to turn off the power when not in use. If the KVM needs to keep working without power for a long time, it is recommended to check the working status of the KVM regularly and confirm whether the power supply environment is stable. 问题。 Second question, does the dual monitor KVM require an Now let's move to the third question, how to create a dual screen display when the computer has only one video port. Here are the answers. Firstly, if there is only one USB-C interface, you can descreen between Thunderbolt 3 and 4 or ordinary USB-C interface. It would be better if specific product model can be provided to our customer service team. They will answer you detailedly and specifically. One interface of Thunderbolt 3 and 4 can transmit two audio and video signals at the same time. Ordinary needs one director test. Secondly, if there is only one DP interface, the direct connection is required to test whether it supports the transmission of two audio and video signals at the same time. Thirdly, if only one, is there a USB-C or USB-A port to allow the use of a conversation cable? If there is only one video output port, it is basically not recommended to use a dual screen function. If you must use dual screen anyway, it is recommended to use USB-A to HDMI converter, but the picture quality and usage effect may be affected by the converter.这个过程中是不是学算一下？这是视频。哦，对，我们刚刚没有展示这个声道。
我刚才说，
对。Okay, let's answer the fourth question. What kind of cable is equipped with this model HKS 0402A1U? Here is the answer. The input terminal contains two KVM, which is HDMI and USB cables, and two HDMI cables. You need to prepare output cables by yourself. Okay, if there is no more questions, let's move to the second product today.
Mm. 再加个这个视频，1分钟。
那就问题多一点，再多一点。
是规定要3个小时还是讲完就行？